We are watching for rising rivers tonight. Rain is coming down in a lot of areas around western Washington. So, Adam, what can we expect?
Well, we are going to keep an eye out for, some of that rising water. We have a couple of spots that are already being impacted by some higher water levels that are near or not above flood stage across Shelton, Grays Harbor counties. We're going to get into that in a second, but we did have some latest information just here over the last few hours that kind of pulled back on some of the heavier rain that we're going to see. But up across the mountains and the passes closed. Stevens Pass right now, White Pass. We have rain that is falling at White Pass. I would say generally it's rain. There could be a few areas of freezing rain to go along with that. That's what we're getting reported out from WashDOT, but no restrictions right now for Snoqualmie Pass. It is really chilly there, 33 degrees and some light rain falling, but just a little bit above that freezing point. Still keep an eye out for a few slick spots. Into the day tomorrow, that snow level all the way up to 8,000 feet as we continue to get a surge of some warmer air coming in from the south. We'll get some heavier rain into the morning too, but then beyond that, it looks like more of that shower activity starting to take over more off and on, and maybe even drying out by the time we head into the latter part of the day. Stevens Pass completely snow and ice covered there. Of course, things really dicey when it comes to travel. No travel happening right now. And then, White Pass too. It looks like things are really quiet with maybe some glazing of ice showing up on the highway. Looking at the amounts of rain we've seen so far today, 2 to 3, maybe even getting closer to 3.5 inches along the coast. But it's in these two areas right here across more of Mason County and then also Grays Harbor County, where we've been noticing some of that heavier rain impacting some of the rivers down into those parts. Widespread area, though, of flood watches out until 11 a.m. heading into Thursday. A lot of the Olympic Peninsula, and then that also includes most of the Cascades and heading up a little farther north. More of this lighter green color, that's where we have the flood warnings out, the Satsup River and also the Skokomish River. We're expecting the Satsup River to eventually crest as we go deep into the night, or go above flood stage late tonight and then start to recede as we go into tomorrow afternoon. 50 degrees in Tacoma, 51 in Everett right now, sitting at 54 in Arlington as we still keep more of that strong south wind, keeping a lot of the milder air around. The rain, more of a rain shadowing effect from about Seattle up towards Everett, so northern King County or through a lot of Snohomish County. Rain generally pretty light if falling at all. And then across Pierce County, that's where we're dealing with a lot more of the heavier rain moving through with this current wave that is beginning to push on by. Central and North Coast seeing some of that beginning to taper off, but we still have some heavier rain pretty much lined up here closer to Astoria, getting up closer to Long Beach and Aberdeen. So keep an eye out that for the next few hours. That will push on through. Then we'll get into early tomorrow morning, start to notice that rain moving off to the north, and then by tomorrow afternoon, 3 p.m., we're drying out for at least a little while, but we have another surge that will come through by late tomorrow night. And as far as additional amounts, we showed you earlier this evening, if you were with us, amounts of around 3 to 4, possibly 5 inches around Quillia, now down to about 2. So again, it looks like the models have been really trimming back on some of that rainfall over the next few days. 50 on Thursday, but sunny as we head into Friday. We'll keep that sunshine through Monday. Next Tuesday, a few showers.